In this video, I will show how to convert image to editable Word document. So insert picture and select that image where you have the text. Now here adjust the size. Now set the color properly. Now file and export, create PDF, save it. Now right click on that PDF and open with, select here Microsoft Word. Then select always or just one. You will see this notice, so you have to click on OK. So this is the trick, guys. You can convert your image into editable text document. Thanks for watching.